So here we are in one of the job sites doing a troubleshooting because the owner changed the roof, so we install new panels for them. We have working with two Fronius inverters, as you can see there on the floor, right? So, and well, we are just going to connect them once again and put it to work. This video I'm doing it for my friend Sam from the electrical school, and I also want to have the opportunity to say thank you for him. He have a very good content in his website, and anyone looking to pass the 309 test, yeah, guys can contact him. His classes are amazing, and the website that he have, the content in the website that he have for everybody to study is amazing as well. All you guys have to do is to put yourself time to study, go through all the questions and answers, and do your best and taking your time to study before you go to the test. But if you learn everything that he do in the classes, or the content in the website, you will have no problems. I have many people telling me, oh, nobody passed the exam in the second. The first try. Most of the people say, oh, you won't pass in the first, it's too difficult. You know what? I did pass in the first try. Why? Because I put my time studying, and any question I had, any doubt about the questions, I contact Sam, and trust me, if you put the time to study, he will help you out as well, right? So I actually say thank you to Sam once again to helping me out to get ready for the exam. And right now at this time, I'm a junior electrician. I actually challenged the test because I was an electrician back at home and I had to challenge the test. And that's all what I say. It's a lot of content, it's a lot to study, but if you really want to get it done, you have to put yourself the time to go through all the content, and with his help, if he see you putting your effort yourself, he will help you out as well. All right, so all the best for everybody, and there is no other way around. Study and good luck in the exam. Thank you once again, Sam. All the best for you, my friend, and well, I hope to see you soon. Okay, guys, good luck to everybody. Bye.